Hey, here we go.
Alright, here we are going to make some mushroom risotto. I'm going to chop up some shallots. Just going to rough chop them so they're kind of small, not anything super precise. Now I'm going to take these baby bella mushrooms and just quarter them. And we got these dried chanterelle mushrooms here, so I'm just going to use the liquid that I'm cooking the risotto with, which is duck stock. Just bring it up to a boil and then pour it over the mushrooms. Let them sit for a little bit. Then we're going to take some avocado oil, put it in the pan, start sauteing these shallots. Once the shallots have been sauteed for a little bit, then we'll add the mushrooms that we chopped up. You notice in the background I've got that duck stock staying warm. I'm going to kind of keep it close to a boil at all times. Now we're going to add the chanterelle mushrooms to rehydrate it a little bit. And we're just going to take that liquid that we soaked them in and just add it back to the stock that we're using to cook the risotto with. Add the arboreal rice to the pan and just kind of toss it around, get it all mixed up. And then I actually added a little bit of white wine that I didn't video, and then cooked that down, and then now I'm adding the stock that is warm to the rice. I'm just going to add the stock, stir the rice a bunch, let the liquid cook up, and then add more stock, stir the rice some more, add more stock, stir the rice some more. You gotta wait until there's not a whole lot of liquid left in the pan, and then you just keep stirring it. When the liquid's gone, you just add more stock and keep stirring it. It's a lot of stirring. You don't have to stir it 100% of the time, but you kind of want to keep an eye on it. And then we're adding some fresh rosemary here that I've chopped up. A little fresh dried pepper. And some dried parsley flakes. I just didn't have any fresh parsley. If you had fresh parsley, you want to add it at the end, or close to the end. But because it's dried, these parsley flakes, they'll withstand a little bit more cooking than fresh ones. Getting pretty close now. Just adding more, stirring it. Kind of cooking it on a medium to medium-high temperature. Once the rice is done and cooked, most of the liquid's cooked out to the consistency that you want it. I usually add some cheese to this point. And I've also added a little bit of cilantro, fresh cilantro, just because I had it on hand and I really like mushrooms with various herbs. And we are done. That's pretty much it. I'm just going to turn it off and let it sit until I'm ready to eat it, which shouldn't be too long. Thanks for watching.